Hey everyone, welcome to another video on the channel. Today is Wednesday, July 21st, 2021. We're going to be taking another look at Blackberry stock. So, before we get started, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but purely for entertainment and educational purposes. But if we take a look at Blackberry, we did have another green day today, which is always a good thing to see. We were up not a whole lot, just under 2% to end the day, up 20 cents, which, hey, it's fine. The important thing, as we've said, is that now we're solidly holding above that $10 psychological level, which on Monday we did dip below it just barely in the high, about 988. I think we finished the day. But as we said, if that was just one day is not going to make or break us. If that was just an aberration, it's okay as long as we could hold above $10. And so we're continuing to do that, which is great. So we saw today we did start going higher at the start of the day, and then we did dip and go red for a bit, but we recovered and ended the day in the green, which is good. So if we look at the longer time frame, let's look at the 1 month, we see this nice little bounce. So we could see in the past we had been doing this stair-stepping down, which was a bearish pattern where we were hitting lower lows and lower highs until here, where now we're seeing this nice little bounce from when we had dipped below $10, which is great because it shows that if nothing else, the stock really isn't comfortable being below $10. And as we said before, from a longer time frame, if we were in this kind of descending wedge, which, if everything works in our favor, could lead to a positive big breakout to the upside, as long as we could kind of hold above that $10, which is that critical support that we said. So we're continuing to do that, which is great. And some days it's better not to have some massive move that's up like 100% or whatever. It's better to just have the smaller incremental moves, but that are going in the right direction to kind of consolidate in this level and to show that the stock isn't comfortable below this level. So overall, a very solid day. And I just thought I'd point this out also. More good news about Blackberry. And so this article, it doesn't say anything that we haven't already talked about a lot, but I just wanted to point it out just because it's more positive news. I feel like, in the past few weeks, there has been a lot of FUD spreading around after BlackBerry's earnings, which we said were totally reasonable. They're totally fine. They're probably more positive than anything. But how every analyst was saying that they were terrible and whatnot, even though they came in exactly at analysts' expectations. But a few things to highlight again. The article just highlights that how BlackBerry bought QNX in 2010, which is what kind of helped propel them into the auto maker space in terms of the software used in autonomous car software, etc., and also the cybersecurity drive, all this stuff we already know. But I just thought I'd point it out because just more positive news. So we'll see what happens. Again, what would be great would be to get some kind of catalyst. So far, we're just kind of hanging out, waiting for a catalyst, waiting for either the Reddit stocks to really start cranking up again, or even better, one of those IP deals to come through, so the company could get a lot of cash, or some new partnership to be announced. Any of that would be great. But in the meantime, we're just hanging out and seeing where the stock goes. So let me know what you think, if you're holding your shares, if you're buying more, if you're selling, and I'll catch you in the next one.